Hi, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So here's a message for you today with regards to your connection. What's the energy between you and your divine masculine today? So I've got a few decks on the table. We're going to begin with the energy oracle today. Now we're going to find out some more about your situation and some more guidance with the angels and ancestors oracle. I also have the universe has your back cards, so let's just see where the reading takes us. So what's the energy between you and your divine masculine at this present time? Okay, one more shuffle, thank you. There we go. That was our confirmation to go. And we have, wow, and it was our confirmation to go. Because we have action. So there's definitely movement with regards to your connection with your divine masculine. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the world. So look at this. We have a number 11. This is the, movement toward this, a new cycle, toward a whole new world. That's interesting. Wow. Okay, shall we continue? Because that was a nice story. So here we have action and movement forward in your connection with your divine masculine, heading towards this new cycle, this abundance and this joyful, happy beginning, number one. And look at this. Your divine masculine is holding his heart in his hands, and he's got a lot of love for you, divine feminine. Okay, so let's take a look. So we have contract. So this is like some sort of commitment. It's a tie, it's a contract, a bond. Something written or unwritten. Okay. Well, let's just read these cards for you right now and continue our reading. Thank you. As the crow caws in the distance. So we have card 17, action. So this card tells you that now is the time for more aggressive forward movement. The galloping horses represent intentional and concerted action directed toward your goals. This card upright indicates that you are on the right track, but your determined efforts must increase. The white horse is inner action of spirit and thought. The black is the outer work that still needs to be done. So continue taking action and trust your intuition. In time, you'll break through and see the results you've been working so hard to create. So in this card, the white cord, interesting. The white horse represents the divine feminine's energy. Her intuition, her movement, freedom and flow. And the black horse represents the divine masculine energy, doing the outer work. But he is catching up This card indicates an increased momentum of action is needed or is taking place right now within your connection. What's the affirmation on this card? It says, I am responsible for my own life. I take action toward my goals and my own happiness every day. Okay. So, there we go. Working on your own happiness. So the World card. Expansion. Opening up. This whole new cycle begins. The man in this picture is looking out over a bay, above which the beautiful sphere of the earth is rotating. This card is reminding you to expand your vision and contemplate some much broader options. The world is wide, so there's a lot out there to consider. In the modern age of technology, this could specifically be referring to creating or expanding to a more global network through the internet or social marketing. Interesting. Drawing this card also lets you know that you have unlimited resources available to you, and now is the time to think big. As they say, the world is your oyster, so get ready to gobble it up. The affirmation. My life expands into boundless horizons with unlimited powerful energy. A world of possibilities is open to me now. Okay, so angels and ancestors, let's have 2 cards, please. Our first card representing the situation between and cord. Interesting. We have twine and cord going on today. Wow. See, Mercury retrograde always ruins me. An absolute causes havoc with my speech. It does. And I know that a lot of other people actually do feel its effects in this way. There is a period of time where it's all very clear. Okay, thank you, Spirit. So, angels and ancestors. Let's have 2 cards. So, first card representing the current situation. Okay, so let's go. So what's the current situation? Okay, so straight away we have seer. See beyond the current situation. So there's more to this situation that you may not be seeing. Be brave and honest. So perhaps your divine masculine does have something to say. It's very heartfelt. Okay, so our second card, please, will represent, the guidance, our best guidance for you at this time. Okay, so we have quite a few cards. So I've got to take these. So we have 3 cards, actually. But I'm called to take all of them. So we have White Witch. Be the light, divine feminine. Your divine masculine is his passions are igniting. He's making a decision here about this action to take, about what to do, about all these possibilities that are opening up for you both. And we have dream and journey. So all about your dreams and your destiny. And then we have the sage. There's not much room on the table, is there? Should we shuffle along, shuffle along? Okay, thank you. And then we have be devoted and committed. So this is how you both feel towards each other. And you're guided to continue to be devoted and committed. I found that really interesting because as I said those words, it was 11:01 on the counter, and then it was 11:11 right as I said that as well. So wow. Okay, so what's the bottom of the deck? Let's have a look. Oh wow. So you just got to trust in God, trust Father Sky, trust in the universe. Wow. Well, the universe has your back, so we're going to pull one of those cards soon. So just trust that everything is as it's meant to be. Trust that God does know best. And that everything is taken care of. There is a divine plan. And the crow confirms that for us in the back. Let's just pull a Universe Has Your Back card just to, before I read our messages. Thank you. Okay. Final shuffle. Thank you. Okay. So what card would like to come out of here? Okay, so we have, there is a stream of love supporting my dreams. Wow. There is a stream of love supporting my dreams. So your dreams, your wishes, your desires, your heart felt truth is safe with God, and it is looked after with love, because it is true. It's supported unconditionally by the universe. And so there is a stream of love supporting your dreams. Wow. And so the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Absolutely. So the more that you trust in the universe, the more free you feel, and the more freedom and the more possibilities open up for you. Okay. So, seer, see beyond your current situation. Look beyond your current situation. Raise your vibration and focus on love. So most indigenous peoples have a seer in the family or tribe. Seers are the intelligent and intuitive beings who serve as direct channels for information on what's occurring now and what's about to unfold. Their energy isn't about predicting your future for you, but about showing you how your intentions are creating it. A true seer will help you see that your intentions can change. Therefore, so can your future. Just like if you just somebody went to the other pub, they changed their mind. Wow. So a true seer will help you see that your intentions can change, therefore so can your future. The message of this card is to let the clairvoyant within you rise up so that they can see, so that you can see the way forward yourself with your spiritual eyes. Clairvoyance isn't just about predicting the future. It's about being able to see clearly enough to create your best future. You are being encouraged by your ancestral guides and angels to see beyond what you think is happening now. Don't allow your ego or doubts to play games with you. Instead of seeing yourself as stuck or lost, know that you are in an energetic holding space while the universe recollaborates a path that is more favourable for you. Angels of light are upgrading your energy so your experiences can be more enjoyable. You are moving towards something extremely uplifting and enlightening. So stay calm and keep your eyes on the prize. Keep your eyes on the prize. White Witch. Let's have a look here. So take the higher road and choose the light. Remove yourself from lower energy experiences. The White Witch card represents the maiden aspect of the triple goddess of paganism and modern Wicca. The maiden is a gentle, innocent and pure aspect of the goddess, a loving soul who wants nothing but the best for the whole earth. Here, she is joined by a horned owl, showing that she is willing to respect those with more wisdom and experience than she has, but she is also willing to trust what she feels to be right within. With this card, you are being reminded of the goodness within. No matter what is happening to you or around you, you have a choice. Choose not to be pulled into dramas, bickering, or energies that are just going to limit your joy. If you are surrounded by people who are hostile towards you or someone else, or you are in a negative situation, perhaps in your workplace, you are being invited to be the light. You are an incredible person who can really bring light. So how can you change the energy? How can you redirect the conversation to love? How can you protect yourself? How can you help the person that is being picked on? Or are you the one who is guilty of causing a drama? You will know the answers. Know also that you are being encouraged to shine the light you were born to shine. Now, Divine Feminine, what I'm picking up here is that this is you. Confirmation. Now, this character is not you. This character is in the mist. Interesting. And although that she Obviously the message, the message is for you. But the representation of the imagery in these cards is that this character is not you, Divine Feminine. This character is somebody that this Divine Masculine is making a decision about. This is why there's a decision to be made. So you will know the answers. Know also that you are being encouraged to shine the light you were born to shine. This character tries to mimic you, Divine Feminine. Drain your energy. Causes a bit of a confusion for your Divine Masculine. Fire Guardian. Always remember to take what resonates. I just tell you what I'm feeling and what I'm picking up in the cards. Okay, Fire Guardian. So, here we are. Gather. It doesn't say gather. It says connect with your desires. The sparks could lead to something beautiful. The Fire Guardian represents the angels of fire. Fire is an energy that many people are afraid of, but shouldn't be. Burning desires can lead to great expansion. Allow the Fire Guardian to help you awaken a wilder side of yourself and burn away any fear or shame that stands between you and your desires. When this card appears, you are reminded that passion is powerful and absolutely encouraged by spirit. You are being guided by your angels to connect with the powerful energy of desire at this time. If you have recently set an intention to explore your sexual side or become more sexually open, the fire of desire can burn away any old setbacks that are preventing you from expressing that part of your nature. If you are in a relationship, this card can indicate a great spiritual and sexual connection. Dream. Your Divine Masculine is definitely has feelings ignited for you at this time, Divine Feminine. I feel as if somebody has put him in a predicament. And he's having to make a decision, but this predicament has made him understand his feelings towards you more. So it's like they're trying to stop me from speaking. It's almost like I might be speaking the truth, and perhaps that might be difficult for the Divine Masculine. But hey ho, we have to go forward as always on this journey inwards to uncover insights and information that will be important for your path. Then follow the guidance. Well, perhaps that's what this is. Perhaps that's why it's so difficult to talk about. Okay. In shamanic traditions, in all four corners of the world, the drum is recognized as the main tool used by medicine men and women to direct their will and aid meditation. A drum beat can become hypnotic and send those listening into an altered state that can then allow them to journey to the spiritual realms and meet their guides. When the drum card appears in a reading, there are opportunities for you to dream or bring an inner vision into reality. And so, Divine Masculine, with his feelings reignited for you, Divine Feminine, after receiving this predicament, he understood and has gone deeper. Okay, thank you for bringing me back there. So you are very connected to the other worlds at this time. The wisdom and intelligence of the earth and her magic surrounds you. The drum, which echoes the sound of Mother Earth's heartbeat, has cleared the cobwebs and dust from your inner vision. What you have seen in your dreams and inner vision is not imagination but guidance, particularly if it has been coming to you repeatedly and has the potential to become reality. Dreams come true. Know it and live it. Okay. So you are both dreaming this same dream again. Divine Masculine's feelings reigniting within him, pushing him to remember. Okay. Sage. Be devoted and committed. Be willing to go the whole road and back again. This will allow you to be the best you can possibly be. The sage represents the wise one within. When this card arrives, it shows that you are preparing to become a great and insightful teacher to your peers. It guides you to take notes, as the wandering yogi is on this card, because your knowledge and life experiences can impart incredible insights to those with whom you come into contact. This card is also about observation and becoming more aware of who you are and all your inner workings, because that awareness can bring more clarity to your decisions. Devotion is a powerful energy. Right now, angels and ancestors want you to acknowledge. Interesting. Right now, angels and ancestors want to acknowledge how committed you are to your growth. Your continued dedication to this aspect of your life has been recognized, and your understanding that you are not only a body but also a soul is all you need to continue growing and expanding. The energy of oneness is offering itself to you now, and it's impossible, is it? I'm possible, remember? The energy of oneness is offering itself to you now, and it's important to take some time to integrate it all so that you can be supported and guided by it. This is what the divine wants for you. Make a note of experiences or teachers making themselves known to you at this time, because you are going to share those teachings one day too. So stay focused. Stay focused. Let's get a message. Let's flick our finger through the book and find a final extract. So what should we read? What What to read? What to read? Let's find something that's resonating. Interesting. Well, let's read. I found something. Let's read. Suddenly, the fingers of a human hand appeared and wrote on the plaster of the wall near the lampstand in the royal palace. The king watched the hand as it wrote. His face turned pale, and he was so frightened that his legs became weak and his knees were knocking. Then Daniel answered the king, "You may keep your gifts for yourself and give your rewards to someone else. Nevertheless, I will read the writing for the king and tell him what it means." Interesting. I feel as though, well, there's an offer being turned down here. But I'm not sure that this is a divine offer being turned down. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So, let's leave that there today, shall we? I'm not sure if we're called... Am I being called to pull another card? Is there another card that you'd like? Another message to finish our reading? How about a divine door? Okay, which door? We have sunset. So, time here turns to release and unfold. Old cords. See, we had cords and something else, binds. I can't remember now. Old cords and pain fade as the sun's light burns. Interesting. And a note on love. Well, this guy was writing a note. Somebody was writing a note, and then somebody was like, somebody turned it down. Sorry, love. A note on love. Seek different seasons and enter into the unknown. When love is the focus, foundations and goal, blessed is the body, mind and soul. Much love, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this reading today. So, I hope you enjoy your day, and I shall see you again very soon. Lots of love. Take care.